Good morning students, myself Sumit Mehta. Today we are doing exercise 2.3 question number 3rd of factorization. In this question, we will use the formulas which you are already familiar with. First one is a plus b whole square. It is written as a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. Now we can reverse it, means we are given a square plus b square plus 2ab and we have write it as a plus b whole square is equal to a plus b multiplied a plus b. Let us start with the first question. Question number 3rd, first part. It is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. We can easily write 9x square as 3x whole square and 6xy as 2 into 3x into y, and y square can be written as y whole square. If we write this in the form 3x plus y whole square, then we can write it as a multiple of 3x plus y multiple of 3x plus y. I can define it again. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square is our first question. 9x square is written as 3x whole square, 6xy is written as 2 into 3x into y, and y square is written as y whole square. This become a formula of a plus b whole square. It means it is a whole square of 3x plus y, and then I can write it as a product of 3x plus y multiply 3x plus y. It's simple. This question, you can solve this question in 4 steps. First you have to write the statement, then you have to factor 9x square as 3x whole square, 6xy as 2 into 3x into y, and y square as y whole square. Then it becomes a formula of 3x plus y square by using the identity a plus b whole square, and then you can multiply it 3x plus y into 3x plus y. This is our answer. Now I can factorize its second part by using the identity a minus b whole square. We can know that by our previous lectures, a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now let us start with the question number 3rd, part 2nd. It is 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Now you can write 4y square as 2y whole square minus 4y as 2 into 2y into 1, and 1 can be written as 1 whole square. I can explain it again. 4y square is written as 2y whole square minus 4y can be written as minus 2 into 2y into 1, and 1 can be written as 1 whole square. Now this become a formula of 2y minus 1 whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now you can easily multiply it, 2y minus 1, 2y minus 1. This is our factors. Now another very important identity is a minus b, a plus b. These are the factors of a square minus b square. In the third part, we can use this identity a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. Let us start our third part. Question number 3rd of NCERT exercise 2.5. Third part. X square minus y square divided by 100. You can write as x square as x whole square, y square as y whole square, and 100 as 10 whole square. It can be written in this way: x square minus y by 10 whole square. Now here our a is x and b is y by 10. Now if we can apply the identity a square minus b square, it becomes a minus b, a plus b. Now write the values of a and b in these. Our a is x and b is y by 10. Again, a is x and b is y by 10. This is our answer. Thank you.